Should I share my dashcam footage after a car accident in Virginia? Dashcam footage can make or break a Virginia car accident claim depending on what it shows. The direct answer is no, you should not automatically share your dashcam footage after a car accident in Virginia. You should first find out whether the footage helps your case or gives an insurance company a reason to blame you. Dashcams are legal in Virginia, but they must be placed so they do not substantially obstruct the driver's clear view through the windshield or windows. Virginia also generally allows recording an in-car conversation if at least one party consents, including the driver when the driver is part of the conversation. Dashcam footage can be powerful because it shows the sequence of events, road conditions, and driver behavior leading up to a crash. That footage may help prove right-of-way violations, document traffic signal status, identify a hit-and-run driver, and show that you were following traffic laws at the moment of impact. It can also capture GPS coordinates, timestamps, and erratic driving by the other driver before the collision. But dashcams record everything, including your own actions in the moments before the crash. If the footage shows speeding, distraction, or failure to brake in time, that footage may be used against you. That matters even more in Virginia because the state follows pure contributory negligence. Under that rule, if you are found to have contributed to the crash even slightly, you may be barred from recovering damages. Insurance adjusters know this and may review every frame looking for anything they can argue was your mistake. A few seconds that appear to show you slightly over the speed limit or looking away from the road may be enough for them to deny the claim. A lawyer should review the footage before you send it to anyone. A personal injury attorney can evaluate the footage in a privileged setting and tell you whether it strengthens your claim or creates risk. If the footage clearly shows the other driver running a red light, crossing the center line, or making an illegal turn, sharing it may support your claim. If the footage is unclear or captures conduct that could be criticized, an attorney may advise against voluntary disclosure. You are under no legal obligation to voluntarily provide dashcam footage to the other driver's insurance company. Law enforcement may seek the footage through legal process, such as a search warrant or subpoena, depending on the facts of the crash investigation. Virginia recognizes a limited exception called the last clear chance doctrine. That doctrine may allow recovery if the other driver had a later and distinct chance to avoid the crash but failed to do so. Dashcam footage may sometimes support that argument by showing the other driver had time and space to brake or steer away. Timing also matters after a Virginia crash. In most cases, you generally have 2 years from the date of the accident to file a personal injury lawsuit in Virginia. Claims involving government entities may require written notice much sooner, sometimes within 6 months or 1 year. That is one reason a lawyer and a law firm should be involved early, before evidence is shared and before deadlines begin to close in. The safest approach is to preserve the footage, avoid sending it out right away, and let a lawyer at a law firm review it first as part of a legal strategy built around Virginia law. For guidance after a crash, contact GibsonSingleton Virginia Injury Attorneys at 804-413-6777, located at 4073 George Washington Memorial Highway, Hayes, Virginia 23072, United States.